God is real. And you see, in 1 man 1,000, today Pastor Rich is fellowshipping with us, our part-time branch pastor. The Lord delivered this young man from the shadows of death. But before God delivered, this young man came to live with me. And when he came to live with me, he has surrounded 2 properties which he built with stolen money. So he went to the people whom he has stolen money from and presented the 2 properties back and handed over the documents and said, this property didn't come from me, take it back. At the time, he was not a preacher. He listened to the gospel which I preached and decided to surrender his life for Christ. Then after that, on him have mercy, this young man came to live with me. In other words, he has a wife and children to feed, but he does not have anything. Then once he came to me, I said, take this and let it be some petty run cash on you. With that money, he goes to Circle and picks up used shoes and then takes it to La Paz and goes to sell the used shoes in the evening at La Paz. Through that, he raised up a capital to be able to import shoes from China. And then he brought me some of the shoes as gifts. China shoes. I still have it as a gift. You brought me 2 shoes, 1 black, 1 gray. I gave the gray one to my baby boy as a gift, and I took the black one. Adidas was the name. You brought me a gift. Then he came to a point where he got sick to death, went through operations, and his money was gone. Then after 2 major operations, this young man standing here wanted to begin life again with a friend giving him few goods to start up something with. In his faithfulness, God blessed it. And whilst the Lord blessed it, now this young man is the face and the man behind the space gadgets and appliances, product. So space, what is it? Space, television, air conditioners, blenders, microwaves, air fryers, and all that. But his capital came from Jebo.